Welcome friend, on howtosolve.com you are watching an important trick of your Apple AirPods. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple AirPods. Factory reset AirPods will help you to resolve many issues like battery drain, AirPods not charging, one-side AirPods not working and much more. Let's see how to do a factory reset AirPod. Take your AirPods close to your iPhone and then open your AirPods lid. Now press and hold on the back button of your AirPods charging case until the white light blinking for 15 seconds. And then leave back button. Your AirPods will work as like a new factory reset Airdos. This way is quite easy for both kind of charging case, either for wired charging case or for the wireless charging case. In the below description you can get lots of AirPods related video tutorial. Don't miss to watch. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media and we'll see in the next video.